Inside of First Class, let's find a calendar. Let's go under Vest News, for instance, and find the computer lab. Let's jump ahead 1 month. To set up an event, all I have to do is click inside of the event square and click New Event at the top left. This way I can type in anything I want for my subject. I can even list how many computers I may use in case more of the lab will be open. If I click on the actual time, I can change the time to any time I want. Don't just have to do 15-minute intervals. Same with the end time. If I click on it, I can change it to however long I want to be here in the lab. If I click on the Interval tab, I can change this event to repeat daily or even weekly. I'm going to choose daily since I want this project to go 3 days, and I'll make sure it goes from Wednesday, Thursday, and even into Friday, and click OK. Now when I go and click Save and Close on the calendar, make sure I save it. On the calendar, you'll see my project listing for 3 days, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday. I can now edit this if I want to and go back by just double-clicking the event. Only the user can do that. In the bottom below, I can write down what my lesson plan is going to be. This way it helps me for future years, but it also gives the tech integrator a little heads up and can proactively make sure that the programs work before I get into the lab. Now this time, when I go to click Save and Close, it's going to ask me if I want this new edition to be on all, future events, or current. I'm going to choose all since I want it for all 3 days. To delete an event, only the user can delete it. I just have to double-click it and hit Delete key on my keyboard. I can then choose all, future, or current. Since I can't make them to any, I'm going to choose all. It's always a good idea to double-check your times. Make sure you've written the AM and PM correctly, but also to check to see if there's a red bar next to your time. That means there's a conflict, or maybe somebody's double-booked that room. For more tech tips, just go to www.yorkschools.org/tilde elawson/teachers/tech tip.